Hello, my name is Michelle Thomas. I'm hoping to publish a children's book that I've been working on for the past few years. It's inspired by a time when I got kicked out of class for having the hiccups.
He is like baby crab.
A shark had been eyeing them from across the hall, and he thought up a new idea to cure Blaine once and for all.
In this underwater version of the tale, a hermit crab goes on a journey to cure his hiccups, making new friends as they suggest increasingly ridiculous solutions. The entire book is self-made using various techniques and materials. These include silkscreen, watercolor, gouache, ink, dyeing paper with bubbles, and textural elements using colored glue. Your support would allow me to both print and distribute my book. Thank you.